What would happen when you put random items into your microwave? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel. Today we've come up with a list of items that we think will be entertaining and safe to test out in a microwave. No long talking, let's get started. Up first, we have a classic marshmallow. Let's see how it holds up in the microwave. Wow, would you look at that? It's like the marshmallow has come to life. I thought that it would just melt, but not that it expands like this. Pretty cool, I think. Moving on, we have a bar of soap. This one could be interesting. Let's see how it reacts in the microwave. Wow, the soap is slowly growing a foot from underneath. I'm not sure if I like how that looks. That's like a mini soap volcano. This is so interesting how the heat can create a chemical reaction in the soap, causing it to bubble and expand like that. The textures feel so weird. It's not soft as I expected. Next time I might try a new soap because maybe this one was too old. Next up, we have a CD. I'm excited to see what kind of design we'll get from the melting plastic. Oh wow, check that out. The CD is like a piece of art in the microwave. It's fascinating how the heat can cause it to warp and melt like that. Now we have a bread roll. I'm curious to see if we can actually cook it in the microwave. Comment down below what you think will happen. A. Nothing will happen. B. It will explode, or C. It will shrink. And now back to the video. It looks like not much has happened, but the bread roll is completely solid and it even shrank a little bit. Our next item is a grape. This one might get a little messy, so let's see what happens. grape is like a mini fireworks show in the microwave. It's amazing how such a small amount of heat can create such a big reaction. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more experiments like this one. And be sure to leave us a comment below with your suggestions for other items we should test out in the microwave. We'll see you in the next video.